getting paid to take surveys online is real. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl Batman Stringer, and before I get into this video, if you are serious about making money online, starting your own online business, making passive income, be sure to check out Builderall and Genesity, both links in the description of this video. Now, I want to shoot this quick video to talk about paid surveys. It's probably like my 10th video on it. But I still see people talking about it. I still get questions about it. And yes, you can make money by taking paid surveys. There are a lot of survey sites out there. Some are garbage, and some actually are legit and can earn you some extra cash. Now, what I want to show you real quick is a company I talked about a couple weeks ago, Branded Surveys, right? New company. Well, I just heard of them. And I actually made a mistake, guys. I actually did something that I always tell people not to do. When I joined the survey site, so I could test it out, make sure it's legit and everything, I used one of my main email accounts. All right. So you're going to see how many survey invites I got, and I actually created a little folder. I'm going to show you this little clip. And then right after that clip, guys, I'm going to show you a cash out that I got from Paid Viewpoint. Which is I just cashed out for 21 bucks. Like I say, 21 bucks is 21 bucks. You could be like, well, that's not $1 million. So what? 20 bucks, go to the movies, go get you a little dinner, invest it into your business, buy some advertising. You could do a lot with 20 bucks. So check these two clips out, guys, and all of the links to to my businesses and these survey sites will be in the description of this video. So check this out.
And what's up, guys? For y'all looking to, make some money taking surveys. This is doing this quick video because I'm about to cash out. You see here, 21 bucks and 9 cents. This is with Paid Viewpoint. Talked about it in a whole bunch of other videos, guys. Super easy surveys they give you. But see here, I'm about to cash out using PayPal. I could have did Amazon as well. But I'm doing PayPal because it goes straight to my PayPal account. But if you see lifetime earnings, over $114. So, guys, if you're looking to earn some extra cash, check it out. Super easy way to do it. Like I said, it's $21. You might be like, man, that ain't nothing. But $21 is $21, right? So I might just, I don't know, buy some lunch or buy something, but yeah, guys, that paid surveys is real. They legit. Let's check this out. I did something that I tell you guys not to do. I did it on accident when I was talking about branded surveys a couple weeks ago, and I actually signed up with this survey site using one of my main emails. I got 4 or 5 different emails, but I used one of my main emails, and I actually was getting so many invites. I actually just created a quick folder just to show you. This is only a couple weeks. If you look at all of these invite surveys for you, and this ain't even all of them. I just made a quick folder just to show you. So if you look at this, and it, scrolling back up, but like I said, I just took a couple of them just to show you how many survey invites I got in just a few weeks. This is why you need to use a separate email account just for surveys, because you can see, guys, these are a lot of offers right here that I could have been earning points on and redeeming for, different prizes and points and cash and stuff like this, and I haven't been taking none of them. So if you're into, taking surveys and you want to do that, do this, and you get opportunities, as you can see. But this is definitely why you need to create another email account strictly for surveys. But you can see it's real. You're getting real invites and stuff like that. So if you want to check out, paid survey sites, links in the description. This video. Survey Club is free, a huge database. Paid Viewpoint. I'll put a link down there for them, and branded surveys. Guys, if you sign up with all of these sites and you trying to earn some extra cash doing surveys, I mean, that's how to do it. It's real. People are doing it. So, like I said, though, create a new account strictly for surveys. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.